老法师都是。
The last breath of summer is blowing down our necks, and so we'll wave goodbye to the fleeting bliss, because you are like a tidal wave, dripping all my life, and living without a trace. I'm in silent patient, you know I'm in silent patient. I've been waiting this long out for your hands to hold me up. I'll be holding on through the winter for your kiss to wake me up. Now with the colors of spring, my heart will blossom up again. You're speeding up, and with your smile it will erupt. And I collect all I can, set aside all the supplies, your kisses and warmness to get through winter time, because I'm in silent patient. Yes, I'm in silent patient. I've been waiting so long for your hands to hold me up. I'll be holding to the winter for your kiss to wake me up, because I'm in silent patient. Silent patient. Yes, I'm in silent patient. Never giving up, because I'm in silent patient. Silent voice when I change your lips. I'm in silent patient. Never giving up, because I'm in silent patient. Yes, I'm in silent patient.